Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you're signed into the Google account tied to Play Games, because the name change is account-specific. Once signed in, open the Google Play Store app and tap your profile icon in the top right. This opens Account Controls. Then navigate into Settings and choose the Play Games profile entry to access your display name. Do this now so you have the profile screen ready. This is the first actionable step toward changing your in-game name. Once on the Play Games profile screen, tap your profile photo or the pencil edit icon to open the name field, because that's where the change happens. You should type the new display name now. Make sure it follows character limits and community rules, since some apps enforce restrictions. After entering the name, tap Save and allow the app a moment to refresh. This writes the change to your account. If the name doesn't appear immediately, wait a minute and force close, then reopen Play Games. To finish, verify the new name appears in the Play Games profile and in any linked titles. Some games cache names for a short period. If the change doesn't show, clear the Play Store app cache, relaunch Play Games, or restart your device. This forces a sync. Make sure to check for account restrictions or parental controls that may block edits. If edits remain blocked, contact Google support. They'll explain policy or account-specific limits and help resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.